Hi, dear cuties and cuties. Everyone, how are you? I'm very fine. Now we are going to see our English handwriting practice. Today we have see the English handwriting practice in capital letters. If you need to write the handwriting in English, we must use four rule note. Okay, you have buy an 80 pages four rule note and use to write in capital letters. Okay, student. Now see the handwriting practice. Capital letters A to Z. Today we have to see A to Z. Everyone see the note. We have four lines. Okay. First we are write to A. Slantingly write in curve and put in A. And use one finger gap. Write in B. One small bending line and curve. Okay. B. Now one finger gap, you can write C. Okay, one finger gap, write in D. Straightly draw the line and put in curve to D. One finger gap, E. Slantingly write in curve E. One finger gap, F. F. Okay. Next line. Now we are writing G. Put in curve line in third line. Start with third line to put in G. Okay. One finger gap. Write in cut. Slantingly write in one line and straight line. Write in sketch. Now one finger gap. Write in I. Okay. Use one finger gap. Write in J. Same type of I, but write in use in four lines. Okay. J. Now one finger gap. Write in K. K. Next, write in, put in one finger gap, write in L. Next, we want to write M. Slantingly, using third line, touching third line to M. Slantingly, writing M. You must write in neatly, so don't make mistake. If you make mistake, erase the letter after writing. Okay. Slantingly, write in one line at the top and put in and in third line M. That same manner write in N. Put in one finger gap. Write in N. Okay. One finger gap. Now write it O. Next letter P. P. Q. Next letter, one finger gap, write in R. That same manner in P, put in R. Okay, next letter S. Using third line. One small curve in, beautifully writing S. Okay. One finger gap. T. Okay. Now U. Next letter. One finger gap. V. Next letter W. Okay. Next letter X. Top of the, use the top pink line. One standing line. Opposite side one standing line. X. Next letter Y. Last one is Z. Everyone listen carefully and write it. Now we are writing capital alphabet A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We are finished in capital letters. Next we are ready to write in small letters. Everyone must write in neat and clear handwriting. Now we are going to see small letters. Okay. That same four line note and use it. Okay. Third line to start the A. One finger gap. One finger gap. Next letter B. Third letter, one finger gap. C. Fourth one finger gap. That same manner in D. Writing C. After putting long line to top D. Next one E. It. Now we are at to F using 4 lines. The F is must touch in 4 lines. Okay. Okay. F. Next one. Write like A. G. Put in same type of writing A, but put in next line, next word, next letter H. Okay. Next one I. Next letter J. Next one K. One finger gap. L. Using 3 lines. L. Now we are writing M. M is writing that 2 lines only we need it. M. Okay. M. Next letter one finger gap. Next letter N. Next one O. Next one P. Next one Q. Next one R. Okay. Next line we use to next letter. Yes. Yes. Next one. T. Next one. U. Next. V. W. X. Is in Y. Is there. Right like here. Number 3. Is there. Now we have finished the small letters alphabet. Small letters alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. We are finished in small letters alphabet. Everyone must write in write like that. You must write it neat and clear handwriting. Don't drop. You must concentrate to letters and write it neatly. Okay, wow. If you need, you must write in English handwriting in 4 rule note, Tamil handwriting in 2 rule note. Okay.